Hello guys, again we are back again with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside socket set with a 29 PC set inside, made from S2 and chrome vanadium steel, ideal for long threads, stud bolts and threaded bars. Well, you can see how it looks. Level 1 working angle up to 10 degrees and max 50 newton. Level 2 is tight fastening of spanner sockets, max 62 newton. Okay, let's open to see what we have inside. Well, nice case. You can see the schematics, what is included inside, and open it just like that. And nice sun protection. Okay, everything is tight there where it should be. Okay, what we have inside, we have one ratchet reversible with a 72 teeth, 11 sockets with one extension adapter. Here's the extension adapter, and we have from 4.5 to 33 millimeters. How it works, you can put that here and then take that one and very easy. We've got one universal joint. It's very convenient. This universal joint, you can use it this drive handle. You can install that, and then you can put this bit adapter, one of the 10 bits. Take one, install it here, and it will be very convenient to work with that. Then we've got this one socket adapter. The same thing, you can do it with that and install one of that. And one wobble extension, same here. You can use that. And one quick release adapter. Why is a quick release adapter? You can push with this button and you can see, you can release it. Well, you can use it left and right, left and right. Take that out. With a push of the button, it is a quick release. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside socket set. I think it's very useful. It costs only 20 euros, and I'm sure it's something that you need into your home, into your place. It's very convenient to work with that, to make some maintenance to your home. Or you can use it into your car, why not? And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice, lovely day. Bye bye.